Hi guys, this is the Left-Handed Shooter. Today we're going to take a look at an Ozark Trail pocket knife with the Stag finish on it. Okay. These knives come in around $6 or so. And for a Walmart knife or Ozark Trail, you know, some of their knives are fairly questionable. This one for $6 is not bad. I mean, the equivalent, like, you know, if you got like a case and spent like, you know, 80, 90, $100 on those knives, you know, the quality's a little obviously better than this thing, but for $6, can't really beat it too bad. Look at the blade. Look at it back here. No gaps. The centering is fairly well on this guy. It's got a nail nick to open it. Got a hollow grind. On this one right here, and here's the little pin blade. It's fairly sharp enough to do the job. And the Stag, I don't believe this is real Stag. Could be wrong. I think it's just plastic. But it looks nice. I mean, okay, there's no wiggling. This thing is open. Fairly solid. Let's see something here. Let's see how long the blade is on here. Blade is the larger blade is what, 2 1/4. The shorter blade coming in at about 1 1/2. The complete overall length of this thing, everything opened all the way out, which you should never do, but 7 3/4 inches. Handle on here, you have 3 1/2. And let's find out what she weighs, which is fairly light. .6 ounces. I don't know if you can see that. 1.6. But, you know, for $6, it's pretty hard to beat this thing. And, you know, it's just a decent little pocket knife. And then, you know, use it for a couple years, falls apart or whatever. Just replace it. $6. But this was just a quick knife. I just saw this sitting in my knife pile. I go, what the hell? I'll just make a little video on this thing. So if you got any questions or anything, just leave them below. And remember to like, subscribe, and share, and all that type of stuff. Helps me out. And remember, let's go, Brandon. Talk to you guys later.